Good evening, everyone. This is James Melly from KeenOnTheMarket.com. I'm here to talk about some interesting activity I saw today in KORS KORS. So they reported earnings this morning, and the stock sold off pretty hard. Was down a lot at the lows here, 67.10, and actually rallied and closed off the lows, closing lower by about 2.26%. They're another retailer in this kind of luxury retailer space this week to report bad earnings. Ralph Lauren was another one that sold off 20% on their earnings just earlier this week. Now, KORS on the daily chart is also pretty bearish looking here below the cloud. But today, someone decided to come in and put on a position using weekly options on the March 13th weekly option line to try and get long KORS on a bit of a pullback here. Now, this isn't the largest bet ever. It's $185,000 in premium that they tied up here, but they are looking for KORS to move near 80 by this time. It's labeled as an opening position. So there's one of two things that are happening here. One, this trader is actually bullish and looking for a move like this out of KORS, thinking that it's way oversold. It hasn't traded above 80 since the gap lower here on their just ahead of their last earnings, or they are hedging a short stock position. So the stock did rally into the close. It'll probably take a couple more days for us to really kind of figure out what this trader was doing, but it does raise some flags here in KORS, maybe something I want to keep an eye out for some kind of follow-through activity. So once again, this has been James Ramelli of KeenOnTheMarket.com. Everyone have a great evening, and as always, happy trading.